I'm gonna show you how to use this thing. That's it. That's how easy it is. It's not going anywhere. It's super secure, and you can even turn this thing to the landscape mode however you like. That's so cool. And you can put the wire right through this to charge it. I'm gonna show you how I do that in one hand. This mount is so secure that you can just push right up on it, and there you go, it's charging. Today we have something simple, something bold, and something reliable. This is a car mount from Humixx. So to open this box, we're gonna have to go through a seal that says thanks for your purchase. Okay. Right, so this one was just holding the thing in place. Here is a user manual. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's pretty simple, really nice. Wow. Check that out, it's pretty good. This is not going anywhere. So this is the test phone that we're going to be using, and we have the charging port right under this. As you can see, it's exposed, and your wire is not gonna, you don't have to fish your wire through or anything like that. This is open, so you can blindly just hook on your wire and call it a day. So that's a really good cutout for that, and great stability because this is high quality plastic with rubber all over the contact areas wherever it touches the phone, so you don't have to worry about damaging or scratching your phone. That's how you close it, and with the press of the buttons, that's how you open it. It's super simple and easy. It's pretty fun actually. This is the back. This is where you're going to be connecting the vent clip to. Here's something that I want you guys to notice. I see those teeth over there, this one and this one here. So these teeth are gonna actually go to the back of the vent and keep it from coming out. After assembling, this is what it looks like. Installation of this product is super simple. Check this out. You just open this up a little bit and clip it right in. And then you screw this thing at the back. As you're tightening, don't worry about the orientation. You can change that later. So I'm gonna screw this a little bit, and we're gonna tilt this to the position I like, and then screw this back right on, just like that. And you can pull and tug on this all you want, but it's not coming out. Now I'm gonna show you how simple it is to use this thing. You just put your phone on top of this and you close it. That's it. You can tighten as much as you like, and this would not go anywhere. You can actually rotate this 360 to get to any position you like.